Boom, what up YouTube? Welcome back. Look at who we got here with us today. We got Mr. Josh Hunt himself, rocking that Nock and Stalk hat. Yeah. And we got Alan Rogers with EAD Outdoors, also rocking a Nock and Stalk EAD Outdoor collab hat. We're back up here on Skyline in central Utah. Ice is about 3 to 4 inches. We're fishing in 16 feet of water. We got some company out here today. There's a couple other people. But we'll let you know what we catch and what they're biting on. Bye.
I got a big green here. Maybe
Oh, he's a cutie.
big, nice size.
Good one. That was on that green spoon that I didn't think he'd bite on.
Is it the Herbert spoon?
No, for the kokanee. Tipped with power bait millworms. Holy cow, that's a good one. Trying to decide if we're keeping him or not. Are you keeping fish, Josh? I think you need to tighten your drag just a little bit. That is like the perfect catch. Let me zoom in on that.
Looks good.
Oh yeah, I've just never caught one like that on the treble hook before. Look. Yeah. Not where he took all 3 prongs right in the lips.
I like it, and the Swedish pimples are good. Like
That's what this is a Swedish pimple.
It is a green Swedish pimple.
Pretty sure. Where you what?
Any luck this morning?
Yeah,
Caught a few?
just the one so far.
Have you? What you been using?
We got a green Swedish pimple.
That'll work. Shrimp's been the hot ticket lately. So.
Yeah, tipped with shrimp.
Yep. Yep, we caught some good ones last time. So tight lines. Good luck to you.
Thanks. You well.
Let's go bigger, stay home.
Oh, he came off. Hey, Hunt, you want a tiny one? Yeah, you want him? I caught that dead sticking.
I might have to put a little pink.
That's what I did at first. Oh, you got it. Alright, I turned the camera off. Caught this great big butte that is now going to be someone's dinner. That's 2. 3. 3. Ugh, they add up so fast.
Nice colors there.
There he goes. Hey.
Coming out backwards.
Yeah. It's a nice skinny female.
So there.
Look at that. How deep are you? 4 feet? 6 feet? It's not bad.
Unhook him here. Tiny jig. This fish here. I'm gonna eat that one.
You're about 8.
This is a little baby perch. I don't know, he won't. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Urgh. Look at that. How do I do that? Come show me with your phone.
Huh?
I said, come show me how to do that with your phone.
Not a long arm like that.
That's a good fish. There you go. Yeah, that's a healthy, good fish. We're gonna let this one go. Caught him in the nostril with a tungsten. I'm gonna edit that part out.
We're leaving that.
Do you want him kept or you want him? All right, Josh is gonna eat this bad boy. It's a good fish. That's a good one. Look at him. Look at him through the eyes. Look at that. Yeah, that was in your shallow hole. No luck clear over there?
I think people have already pulled 100 fish out here.
Well, we're adding to those numbers.
There you go. They're there to eat, aren't they?
Yeah, they taste great on a smoker.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. He's tiny, dude.
Get him?
Yeah. Oh, he's bigger than the one we kept. Damn, sir. Fish, yeah, fish. Loop. There we go. How much?
13.
Yeah. I figured I'm around 12.
So there's a pretty good ledge right here.
That's a baby. Put him back.
Oh man, you gotta look at his mouth.
Oh, is it unique?
That's a little one.
Want me to grab the camera?
Big fan Frankie fish. You know that's why they call these Tiger Trout fish.
What is he?
What in the world?
Smile.
Oh, he's been ripped before. His tongue's coming out the bottom.
You.
Tuck it back in there.
A
Help
big
me.
old hook jaw. That's what you call a hook jaw. Man, right in my hole. There it is. Ooh, calm down. Ooh, ooh, you're mad.
A real fish.
Oh. That was a good one.
Over here.
Tomorrow.
That was a good one. He was one of those big orange ones.
Oh, was he?
Yeah.
That's for you.
He's just heavy.
He's big. It's over here.
I haven't had one fight like that yet. I could tell when I hooked him, he just took off.
Ooh.
Was there?
Where'd he go?
He was over here
There
last.
he is. There he is.
It's just heavy.
You're gonna have to get that bug and put it on. Oh, he's bigger than any you've caught.
Ooh,
Way
ooh. Right up. Man, Josh.
You gonna
Keep my line from rubbing.
get him in? Or
That's the
what are you
biggest
gonna
one
do?
so far.
Oh,
So just grab his head. His tail. Definitely the biggest one so far. That's a big fish. So that's probably close to 20 plus. Woo. Yeah, there's our thumbnail for the trip. That's a good size. Another one of those healthy ones. Yeah. Kick that tail out a little bit. Yeah, look at that. Another healthy fish. Good job. What's that, 11 or 12?
it's 12.
12 for Josh. Attaboy. Back down he goes. All right, everybody. Time is 12 o'clock, 12:05. We're headed off the lake. It warmed up so well. You want to know how warm it is right now at 12 o'clock? It says exterior temperature 52 degrees. The ice was melting while we were out there. It was cracking. It was making a lot of noise. But hey, we caught fish. Josh ended up with 12 or 13. I had 7. Alan from EAD Outdoors, he unfortunately only had 0. He got scalped. The only reason we stayed out here till noon was to help him catch a fish, and we could not get him on one. So honestly, the fishing died down about 10 o'clock. So from 10 to noon, in 3 hours with 4 or 5 pulls in the water, we only caught 2 fish, 3 fish maybe. So don't go fishing there past 10, at least currently. Okay, but everything was caught between 12 feet and 4 feet of water. Yep. Either that or it was 12 and 8. It was 12 and something. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 guys all around us. You might be able to hear them in some of the footage. And they were just drilling and moving and drilling and moving and drilling and moving. They only caught a couple fish. Whereas we drilled and stayed in one spot and just changed different jigs until we got what they wanted. Then we were right on them. And we caught a lot. I kept 4, Josh kept 4. So, all in all, it was a good day. If it stays like this, temperature-wise, which weather app says it's going to be in the 50s till Sunday, that lake only has 1, maybe 2 days left. There was water on top of the ice from it melting. With it cracking, it's maybe 4 inches of ice. But I'd say it's, by the end of this week, it's going to be down to 2, if not unsafe. Okay, so that's our ending. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.